what is intersubjectivity? So in this video, we will discuss the meaning of intersubjectivity. So this word is coined with the prefix inter, which means among and between. And it's a philosophical term subject, which means conscious being. In a general sense, intersubjectivity means sharing of subjective states by two or more individuals. Ito ay mga conscious being, sharing of subjective states. So it is an organic union of the subjective reality and the objective reality of being. Meaning to say, as a person, we have a personal regard to self, but we cannot deny the fact that we live with others. So we also regard them as part of ourselves. So that is the meaning of intersubjectivity. So conscious tayo sa ating sarili, we are living in the world with other human beings. So we tend to place ourselves in others' shoes, to relate to them in good ways as possible. So narito tayo sa mundong ito, hindi para sa sarili, kundi naroon yung relationship natin dun sa ating kapwa as a conscious being. And that is the meaning of intersubjectivity. So among and between, which is the inter, and the subject means a conscious being. It is a conscious being, sharing of a subjective states by two or more individuals. So that is the intersubjectivity. Okay, so part natin bilang tao, bilang conscious being, yung ating kapwa na conscious being din. So intersubjectivity. Thank you so much.